Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy, most attractive women stylish shoes designs, women beautiful easy footwear collection, new and trendy designing ideas for stylish ladies you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women stylish shoes designs, comfortable shoes designs, every types of shoes you can see in this my video. Beautiful and attractive designs and ideas for stylish ladies, those who love such type of shoes design. If you want to buy these very beautiful shoes design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful shoes designs online, these websites easily in very reasonable price. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see. Highly running ideas, beautiful stylish comfortable shoes design. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way you never miss my video, my collection. Give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and attractive women stylish shoes designs, comfortable shoes designs, beautiful shoes designs, stylish shoes ideas. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.